One of my best friends from high school is coming to visit and stay with us a few nights, and I got this plant to put in her room because it's just one of the most beautiful begonias. I love the leaves, the white spots on the leaves, and really sweet pink flowers, and I just thought that would brighten the space up. Beautiful. I'm gonna go find a cute little pot to put it in and get it in the room. Good afternoon. Today, one of my best friends from high school is arriving, so I don't have a ton of time, but I did get a box from Proven Winners. So I want to open that and see what's in it, because I always forget what I order, and then when it comes, it's a surprise, which is always really fun. So I'm going to open that up, see what it is. Love these boxes. Live plants up. I don't have a lot of Proven Winners plants, but I really want to try them in our zone. We are in zone 10A, and most of the plants I think are going to be coleus in this box because they have some really beautiful varieties. Proven Winners Color Blaze El Brighto. Isn't that beautiful? I love the different greens and the burgundy to the smoky red there. Just beautiful. Color Blaze Golden Dreams. And these will get 24 to 40 inches tall. "18-inch spacing." I don't know. I might space them further apart. I forgot to say how big this one gets. It says 24 to 40 inches. Oh yeah. Well, one of the flowers came off, and I don't see the... Okay, this is a Double Delight Begonia Apple Blossom. So I'll find a photo of the flowers and add that here. Okay, there they are. We have the Golden Dreams Coleus, El Brighto Coleus, and Apple Blossom Double Delight Begonias. So that's it for me for today. I'm in kind of cleanup mode here, getting the house a little more cleaned up, and we have some baby ducks visiting. I will put a little bit of their activities on this video because they're super cute. And just hope you have a great day. See you next time.